Welcome back to my channel. So of course, by the title of today's video, this is a get ready with me makeup and outfit video. I actually did this entire look, like not filmed it, but I actually rocked this entire look about 2 weeks ago for a birthday dinner, and like you guys loved it on my Instagram, you guys loved it on my Snapchat, and I just really loved the way my outfit and makeup came together for that look. So of course I had to put this up on my channel, you know. So I just want to make a disclaimer. Of course, my hair is curled now. In the picture with the outfit, my hair is straight. I threw on a wig because during that time my hair wasn't done at all, and I was actually forced, well not forced to, but like the only way I was able to rock that wig was if I actually had something on top, because that lace is like done for, it's balding, it's not cute. So I wore this gold metallic turban on top of it, and of course now that my hair is done I don't have to, but for the sake of the look, this is like perfect to add on to any outfit. I got this from Forever 21. And of course you guys will see it again at the end of the video when I show you guys my outfit and everything. So before we get into this video, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, what are you doing? No, literally. I'm kidding. But yeah, what are you doing with your life? Because, you know. And also don't forget to click that notification bell if you guys want to know when I upload. And actually lately a lot of people have been telling me that they have not been getting notified by YouTube when I upload. I don't know what that is all about. I know that's happening to a lot of YouTubers as well, so honestly I'm not sure, but just so that you know, you guys don't miss out when I do upload, or if you do want to see my videos when I do upload and then you don't end up seeing it, just make sure you hit that notification bell. It really helps, and it helps me too as well. So I don't want to talk too much, but yeah, we're gonna get into this video, so let's just jump right into it. Alright, so starting off, I'm just gonna pin my hair out of my face so you know I can beat this face and take a sip of my booster juice. And I'm gonna start off with my Fenty Beauty primer, and I don't know what's going on with this bottle, but I'm running low, but it looks like there's so much left in there, so I don't know what all of that is about. Oh, we got some right there. But yeah, I literally have to pump like so many times and so hard just to get some out. And I'm also going to apply a little bit more to my smile line area. I totally forgot to set my smile lines with some powder, but if you get creasing like me, I highly recommend you do that. Anyways, we're getting into the brows now, and I'm filling them in with the Anastasia BrowWiz in dark brown. And since they're so like unruly right now, I fill in most of it with the pencil, and then I go in with the DipBrow, and I'm using the Anastasia DipBrow in chocolate. I don't like my brows too dark, so I use the dark brown BrowWiz and then chocolate in the DipBrow, and then we're gonna go ahead and clean those up. I'm using the LA Girl concealer in medium beige. Nothing new here. I've been using this combo for my brows for over a year, probably like 2 years now actually. So So of course, because this look involves eyeshadow, we're going to start off with the eyes first. I'm using the NYX eyeshadow base in Skin Tone to prime my eyelids, and I'm applying that with a flat brush, and then I'm going to blend it out with a fluffier brush, and then I'm going to set that with some Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. I'm going to grab my Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette. This is honestly one of my most favorite palettes ever. As you guys can see, there's just so much variety in this palette, so I'm grabbing those two shades. I'm applying obviously one before the other, not at the same time, and I'm going to use those as my transition shades just to get that base nice and warm before, you know, going in with some more darker colors. After I get that base warm enough to where I think you know, I can move on to other colors. I'll go in with the other color. So I'm going to go in with Pukey, and I'm going to add that to my crease. And I'm using this Sigma, one second guys, I'm using this Sigma Diffused crease brush in E38, and then I'm going to go in with Roxanne, which is a lot more like warm tone, earth kind of red, and I'm going to apply that to the crease as well. And I'm going to continue to blend and build the pigment of that shade until it's pigmented enough. Of course, if you're going for a more dramatic or darker look, you would build it a lot more. And I'm also going in with this fluffier brush just to blend out the edges of those shades so they're nice and seamless. Then I'm going in with my ColourPop No Filter concealer just to carve out my lid. That way the lid color that I'm going to apply, which is a shimmer, is going to stand out and pop. I love doing cut creases with shimmers. They're just, you know, beautiful. I've been doing cut creases a lot lately. It's funny because I never used to do them at all. So after setting that with a light amount of translucent setting powder, I'm going to go in with this beautiful gold shade Queen, and I'm going to apply that all over my lid using a flat eyeshadow brush. I'm going to go in with this small pointed brush from ABH. This is the number 814 brush, and I'm taking that shade Jax and also Roxanne, which is the previous shade I used in my crease. And I'm going to use those two shades to darken the outer crease and slightly drag it onto my lid as well. And then I'm just going in with a clean blending brush just to make sure everything is nicely blended. I'm also going to do some winged liner, so I'm going in with my Maybelline Line Stiletto liquid liner, and this is in Blackest Black. Just going to go in with a makeup wipe to get rid of that fallout underneath my eyes, and then I'm going to apply some lashes. These are Hazel from RD Beauty. I've been killing these lashes lately. Like, I think I've been wearing them for like over a week, no, probably like 2 weeks straight actually. These lashes are bomb, you guys, bomb. So yeah, I'm gonna apply these. Moving on to the face, I'm going to be mixing foundations today, so I'm using 1 pump of the Fenty Beauty foundation in 370. Then I'm going to do 1 pump of the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear foundation in Cadiz. And I'm applying this foundation with the Sigma 3D HD Kabuki brush. I'm going to take my damp beauty blender just to absorb any excess foundation and just make sure everything's nice and blended, because of course when you apply foundation with a brush, you're always bound to get some type of streaking. And then I'm going to go in with my NARS Radiant Cream Concealer in Caramel, but as you guys can see, it was struggling to come out because it's pretty much done. So I'm going to go in with my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in Tan 50, and of course I'm using that to highlight my face. And then I'm going to do some cream contouring. So I'm taking my ABH Cream Contour Kit in Deep. This is the deep one, and I'm using chocolate to contour my face. Yeah, I don't know why I just made that little voice. But after I apply that, I'm going to blend it out with my ABH A30 brush. And of course, after blending out that contour, I'm going to go in with my beauty blender and blend out that highlight. I like letting my concealer sit for a little bit because I actually find that it does give you a bit of a fuller coverage, and it also doesn't crease as much. I wanted to go slightly lighter with the highlight for this look, so I'm going in with my LA Girl concealer in medium beige, and I'm just going to apply that to everywhere I previously highlighted, but as you guys can see, I'm going in with like the littlest amount. And then I'm going to go ahead and set my face. So I'm using the Ben Nye Luxury Powder in Banana and the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. This powder is really growing on me. I really like mixing it with my banana powder, and it's been working for me. Because I know when I used it for the first time on its own, it was a little bit too pink. I wasn't a fan of it, but I've been using it a lot more lately when I mix it together. And I'm definitely making sure to set those smile lines because you guys already know my situation. Of course, when using cream products, you usually want to set with powder. So I'm going to set my contour with the shade Mocha from the ItsMyRayeRaye and BHCosmetics palette. And I'm also going to use those two same powders just to carve out my cheekbones, just so that that contour can be a little bit more defined. Also going back into the eyeshadow palette and grabbing those two shades I used in the crease, and I'm going to use those to smoke out my bottom lash line. I'm also just making sure to dust off any of that excess powder from baking, and then we're going to move on to bronzing. You guys, I found my favorite bronzer. I'm so happy, and this is the MAC Mineralize Skinfinish in Dark Deep. And I'm applying it with this A19 brush from ABH. It's one of my favorite brushes to bronze with. And then I'm going in with my MAC Fix Plus spray to lock in that makeup and also prepare for highlighting, which is of course my favorite part. And I'm using the Fenty Beauty Freestyle Highlighter Duo in Mean Money and Hustler Baby. And I'm using Hustler Baby for that highlight, because I know you guys see that. I'm so corny, but this is honestly top 2 right now. And it ain't 2, so. And then moving on to the eyes again, I'm going to take this eyeliner pencil. This is the ABH Waterproof Gel Liner. This is in Darkside. Also going to apply my MAC 3D Black Lash Mascara. And then moving on to the lips, I'm going to take my MAC Cork Liner. And then I'm going to go in with 2 matte lipsticks from MAC. The first one is Persistence. And then I'm going to go in on top of that with A Girl's Got Needs. This is the MAC and Nicki Minaj collab, one of my favorite nudes right now. And then I'm going to go in with this Sigma Lip Vex Gloss. You guys, I found this at Marshall's like 2 weeks ago, and I've been using it. I've been killing it ever since. And this is in All Heart. Look at that combo right there, you guys. Gorgeous. I wanted a pop of shimmer in the inner corner, so I'm going to take my MAC Melon Pigment and apply that. So here we have the finished look, and I'm also just going to go ahead and, you know, change and fix my hair, put in my hoops so you guys can see the actual finished look. And here it is. What a difference. Wow. So moving on to the outfit, I wanted to keep it all black with a pop of gold. So first, let's start off with the top. I got this top from Rebellious Fashion, and I got this in a UK 6, which converts to a US size 2. And these high-waisted black ribbed bell bottoms are from Topshop from their petite line, which I'm so happy that they have because I'm only 5 feet. And it is such a struggle for short girls like me to find bell bottoms that are actually flattering to our fit and don't ruin our outfit by, you know, flowing all the way onto the floor and covering our shoes. And then moving on to the shoes, these are from Gian Vito Rossi. I got these on sale at Horton Renfrew. And then I'm just going to show you guys what the outfit looks like with the gold metallic turban I got from Forever 21. So guys, that is the end of this Get Ready With Me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and definitely give this video a thumbs up if you guys want to see more videos like this. And that is all. I will see you guys in my next video. Oh, you say you wanna take control.